Welcome back, folks. This is the second Denbighshire Housing Tenant Awards
for the Communal Garden of the Year,
Police Offer,
the Community Garden of the Year,
Frankenapple and Getlevo Community Garden, the Tenant Garden of the Year,
and the winner is Caroline Phillips and Alan Shelfield.
and it's the Community Project of the Year.
The winner is the Community Hub Penguin Kennelver Night.
For the Housing Resident or Community Group of the Year.
The winner is Tremovoil Rithin.
The winner of the Customer Service of the Year award is Owen Evans.
The winner of the Community Hero of the Year award is Jonathan Lawton.
The Good Neighbour of the Year.
Winner Jock Davies.
Winner of the Lockdown Hero Award is Deborah.
The Young Tenant of the Year award is Michaela Flynn.
Winner of the Tenant of the Year award is Wenda Williams.
Special recognition award this year goes to Adam Garvey and Richard Jones from GGS Heating.
Good night and a safe journey home to everyone, and congratulations once again.